Is NBA 2K26 crashing, refusing to launch, or closing unexpectedly on your PC? Don't worry, this quick guide covers the most effective fixes to get you back in the game. Start with a simple restart of your PC. This clears temporary processes, refreshes system resources, and often resolves common launch issues. After rebooting, try opening the game again. If the problem continues, move on to verifying your game files. Corrupted or missing files are a frequent cause of crashes. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, and select Properties. Navigate to installed files, then click Verify integrity of game files. Steam will automatically repair or replace any damaged data. Once finished, launch the game again. Next, try running Steam as an administrator. Fully close Steam, then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Launch your game afterward. This helps resolve permission-related issues that can block startup. If the issue still persists, restart Steam completely. Close Steam, open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+Escape, and end all Steam-related processes. Then relaunch Steam and test the game again. Thanks for watching, see you in the next guide.